Welcome to another video of my channel. In this video I am going to tell you the difference between Basic Compiler and QB64. So first let's jump into Play Store and search QBasic Programming, that is the Compiler app which is supported on Android devices, and I'll tell you the difference is Basic Compiler. So it doesn't support the programs that are made on the PC version of QB64. This is not QB64 but it is just a simple compiler. If you want to run the basic programs of QB64, you need the PC version on your Android. In order to run the PC version, you have to simply click the link given in the description. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it, and for more information, press the bell icon and set it to all so you can never miss an update on my channel. So after you click on that link, it will redirect you on this page. There are some ads, but don't worry, I will teach you. Basic Point 1, it is made by Microsoft and its size is 287 KB. KB is not shown here, so you have to just download it. Don't worry, it is just 287 KB and not MB. So you have to download it, and after downloading it, you have to just open your any file manager. I suggest you to download ZArchiver, and it is a very small sized app. And after opening ZArchiver, you have to just go in the download folder. In the download folder, there will be a file named ZQB11zip. So QB11zip you have to simply extract here by clicking on it, and there is an option extract here. You have to just press it. So I have already extracted it, so I have to do this process. And after extracting, you can see there is a name QBasic EXE. So the work is not done here. You have to just simply go on Play Store, and after going on Play Store, you have to type the name Freebox. It's an app which can run PC programs on Android, and it's a free app. So search Freebox, and after you search Freebox, I have already downloaded it, but you have to download it. It's very small app, and after downloading it, you have to simply just open it. So opening the app is very simple process. So you have to just open it, and I will give the link in the description, so don't worry that you will not get it on Play Store, and the reviews are very good here. So I have already downloaded it, and yes, you can see here Freebox at the down, and I will open this Freebox. Okay, after opening the Freebox, an interface like this will open, and like this when the interface opens, this is all messed up, so I will teach you how to do. Here you can see a keyboard button. You have to just press on it and type here, and you have to go to ZArchiver and go to download folder, and here it's written qbasic.exe. so you have to again switch to the app, the Freebox app, and you remember this name qbasic.exe, and here you have to all type that name. So qbasic, here we go, exe. So exe is actually the typo. So then press enter, and after pressing enter, such an interface will come. So here now what you have to do is tilt your screen. The status bar up is now not visible, so you have to just scroll it down and it will come. And here is a lightning key. You have to press on it, and you can see there are all the keyboard keys. So press on escape and you can easily access this, and you can make a program. So first I will make a small program, just print like and subscribe, and after printing it, I will just end that program and show you how to run it. So the orange thing you can see is the mouse here, and now you can just scroll it again, press on the lightning key and press F5 to run any program. As you can see F5, when I pressed F5, this program is working. So this was a very small video, and if you want more videos, please make sure you like and subscribe and comment if you have any doubt. Bye bye.